Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice. I'd like to present our brand new 2018 Sea Ray 310 SLX. The 310 is an awesome boat. This thing has great lines to it, great performance. She's equipped with the Mercury 350 Verados, inline 6, horsepower to weight ratio is awesome. This one also has joystick piloting where you can work the engines with or against each other for docking. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the options on this particular one. And as we go through here, we've got the sea deck on the back here. Very, very comfortable, very nice on the feet, doesn't get very hot at all. Tremendous amount of storage underneath here. You have your remote on the back of the boat. So if you want to change the tunes, whatever, very, very easy to do that. And of course the stereo is going to be Bluetooth compatible. This one does have the optional sunshade that drops back about 6 feet. So if you want a little bit of shade or whatever, makes it more comfortable on those sunny days. The carpeting here, this one has the tweed color, very, very nice. Of course, it's removable. And plenty of seating all the way around. You do have your fresh water right here, additional storage inside here. As we go, this one also has your stainless steel windshield. Here at the dash, this is kind of cool. This is where you're gonna have your Mercury vessel view, GPS chart plotter. On this boat, everything is controlled by the unit that you see here. So all of the pumps, things along that line is right there. This is going to be your joystick for your piloting. Also makes docking a breeze on this boat. Your throttles are digital, throttle and shift, very, very easy to go in and out of gear. This one also is equipped with your Raymarine VHF, very comfortable captain's chairs, and fully enclosed head. Got a sink inside there, you've got overboard discharge plus dockside discharge. Plenty of room and good headroom as well. Once we go to the front of the boat, very, very comfortable armrest up here. Real nice interior on this, and this particular one also has your windlass, so it's going to be easy to get the anchor up and down. And you can operate it from here, also from the helm. Grab rails. So this is designed to have number 1, great lines, number 2, performance, and kind of the ultimate day boat. Extremely comfortable, great for entertaining, you know, family, friends, and things along that line. So to recap, 2018 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This one's located at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number, again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw, and the number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.